In just a few days, this old MK4 Mondeo diesel is heading nearly 2,000 miles from Barnsley all the way to Benidorm, and honestly, one dead battery could end the trip before it's even started. That's why I've installed the ANCEL BS200 Super Starter, a super capacitor powered starter system designed to keep your car starting even when the battery is struggling. Unlike a normal jump starter, this thing stays permanently connected, monitors battery health in real time and works in extreme temperatures, can even force start the car if the battery drops too low. This should be perfect for our trip from UK through France and into Spain. So before we attempt this massive road trip to Spain in our 17-year-old clapped out diesel Ford Mondeo, we're testing whether the BS200 from ANCEL is actually worth it, or is it just another gadget and gimmick? Let's see if this little box can survive our ultimate road trip. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Abroad Yorkshire. As you see, we're under the bonnet of the Mondeo. It's the penultimate video before we start our long trip down from Barnsley to Benidorm and back in our banger. We've got a couple of things to do. We've got the aircon to fix and we've got the MOT to do. I'm confident we'll both get both of those done, pretty confident anyway. So, but before we do, I've had some issues started. Now the battery's been going flat after a couple of days, and I thought there might have been like a parasite drain on something. Can't find it anywhere. I've looked on the computer, I've had a technician out, cannot find a drain on it anywhere. 2 days ago, it went completely flat overnight, and I don't know. I don't know if I've left the radio on or what. I really haven't got a clue. So I put on the boosters, you know, in the previous videos that you've been watching, I put the boosters on and the battery was that dead, it wouldn't even start it at all, wouldn't even light up on dashboard again, really dead, flat battery. So we don't know if it's a dodgy battery. The battery's coming up on the tester as really healthy. So we don't know what's causing it. So because we're going down to Benidorm, I need to get this sorted. So the good people at ANCEL reached out and they've sent me this. Now this is a booster and a jump starter. It's a super capacitor. It's the ANCEL Super Engine Starter Battery Booster, super capacitor starter. It's a booster with a difference. Now instead of a booster that you have normally with your crocodile clips that you put on when you've got a flat battery, this thing is permanently connected to the battery itself. So it sort of it connects on, it stays charged from your alternator and it's permanently on there, so it monitors the state of your battery. And there's also an app as well that connects to it through Bluetooth, so you haven't got to keep opening your bonnet. You can measure everything and see how the state of your battery from your app, and it'll give you alerts if anything's low. So absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to install this, and this should save us when we're going down through France and Spain and into Benidorm and through Marbella and all that. This should save us. So I'm going to get it installed now, and I'm going to start the engine up and see what it's like. I'll show you app, I'll show you installing, and we'll see just how good it is. Is it any good? I don't know. Will it start the car? Hopefully. Let's get it on, let's get it tested, and let's see.
Puzzle pieces complete the vision, yeah.
Bang, done. Easy as that. Couple of minutes to install, as you've seen. Really simple. I'm going to show you on the front now. We've got 3 lights. You've got the Bluetooth light, which is flashing. We've got the full or charging light, which is flashing. So as you can see online, full or charging and draining as well. They are flashing at the minute because I've not connected to the app. So now I'm going to connect to the app on the phone of Destiny. So let's just have a look at this. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on add device. We're going to authorize that. We're going to give permission to use while using the app. Now it's saying please enter device serial number. So that's going to be on the back, which is here on the back. Can you see that? Just here on that code. So let's enter that serial number. And that's got a little blown line going up. There you go. You hear that beep? So that's now scanned it for us. So you haven't even got to enter it manually. Okay, nearby equipment and done. Perfect. Next, ordinary lead acid battery. Can you see that? It's just asking you what type of battery you've got. So we've got an ordinary lead acid battery. Add. It's now going to add all that on into the app. It's going to read it all from your machine. Not strapped it down as yet. New firmware found, so it's automatically going to upgrade. Let's get that done. Version 7.9 firmware upgrade. Downloading firmware, so that's now going to download and upgrade all the firmware, which is fantastic. No need to search. Firmware is being upgraded. Please do not exit the app or disconnect the power supply. Ooh. So that's great. That's really is good. So that's how quick it's doing it. You can see that. Really quick. Really quick. I'm excited to be using this. Hopefully it's going to get us, and that's it, it's done. Hopefully it's going to keep the engine running and starting when we're over in France, because it's going to be nothing worse if we break down in the middle of nowhere. It's going to be a nightmare. So latest version is done. Thank you very much. Bang. I know. Thank you. SOC is detecting. The state of charge is now detecting. Thank you very much. And what he's saying is, you see that? It's now reaching state of charge on the battery itself through the app. I don't know if you can pick all these up, boys and girls. I'm hoping you can. So it's now reading the battery, the main car battery. And it's telling us, let's have a look. The temperature is 26 degrees outside. So it's the first time we've had nice weather today. And let's have a look. State of charge is 0%. The voltage is 4.53. So the battery now, the car battery, as you can see that, the car battery is now charging up the ANCEL. So that's great. We'll start up the engine. We've got 12.73 volts in the car battery. I'll nip in now. I'll start it up. We'll just make this safe over here. Put that out of the way before we strap it down. Hope you can hear me. The SOC is detecting and it is charging. So as you can see, that little arrow just there, look, it's saying it's charging. So it's now charging up the ANCEL. Absolutely fantastic. Voltage we're up to 14.42, so we've got a healthy alternator. Absolutely bang on. We've also got an option in there, look, for force start. So if your battery is dead, you can press that and it will actually force start your battery, your car. So that's absolutely bang on. So absolutely brilliant. And we'll leave this running for a while. I'll fetch you back to this. I want to do a finishing shot and see just how good it is. So as you can see, it's been on a couple of minutes now. It's charging up to, it's at 56%. It charges really quick. 57%. He's got 11.75, well, 11.8. He's climbing all the time. Really good voltage going in. SOC is going up. Temperature's up to 29 degrees. It's a really hot day. It's inside the engine bay as well. absolutely bang on, absolutely bang on. So that's your starter. We're up to 62%. There you go, SOC. So the engine battery is charging as well, the charger is charging as well. Absolutely brilliant. So that's it, let's dive in a little bit deeper. So that's it, the ANCEL BS200 super capacitor super engine starter. It's a really good piece of kit. It's handy to leave on all the time. It's going to come in really handy as this. So thanks to the guys at ANCEL for reaching out and sending us this piece of equipment. There's just two things to do now before we head down to Benidorm and back from Barnsley in our banger, and that is to get the MOT done and get the air conditioning working. As soon as that's done, we are off. And don't forget, boys and girls, after the trip, one of you lucky guys is going to win this car and take it away with you. Job's a good one. I'll catch you in the next video when we set off from Barnsley to Benidorm and back in our clapped out old Ford Mondeo. See you later. Ta-da!
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to reach you. Content creator.